Hi everyone, today I would like to show you this cool bed vacuum cleaner. I was sent this product for review, so let me open the box. This cleaner will be great for your mattress. It comes with manual instruction, filters. Let me show the product. It's pretty lightweight, so it will be very comfortable to use. This is how it's look like. Alright, so let me open it and show you. Right here we have our filter, so you can change it. We have 3 extra. I just plug into my outlet at the bottom. Right here we have a dehumidification light, ultrasonic light, UV light flap. You can clean your mattress or carpets as well, or mats. So let me try it on my bed. I actually love the result. It's pretty clean, very fast, and very easy to use. It's so lightweight. Actually, guys, so powerful. Oh my god, this is really great vacuum cleaner for your mattress and carpets. If you have an allergy, I will definitely recommend you to buy this vacuum so you can clean your bedding stuff and mats. Very powerful. I love this. So it's pretty hot, actually, very lightweight, very easy to use. I will definitely recommend you can buy it on Amazon.